You know, in life, we have moments of light and moments of darkness. That's how life it is. Sometimes you have moments, days or weeks that you feel in the darkness. You're confused, you're lost, you have no direction, you don't know what to do, you're not sure what to choose. You have a lot of dilemmas. Should I go into business? Should I not? Should I send the money? Should I not? Should I get engaged? Should I not get engaged? Should I get divorced? What should I do with the kid? Maybe this, maybe that. It's a lot of options. Should I surrender? Should I fight? So many maybes in life. So every person has difficult moments in his life. I'm sure all of you know what I'm talking about. It doesn't really matter. Even the wealthiest people in the world have a lot of hard days in their life, you know. And when everything works as we expected it to go, meaning things work beautifully, obviously it's very easy to thank Hashem. You just close a great deal, you made a lot of money, a minute later you found where to invest the money, and the next thing, money brings money, and then another deal, and another deal. You're on a roll. So you're very happy. Wow, I'm a young guy or a girl, and I'm successful, and all of that. And you're such a grateful person. Hashem, I love you, it's so great. Ma rabu ma'asecha Hashem. You know these people who give beautiful speeches when things are booming for them? Tough. The question is, what happened to the same people who constantly go like this to Hashem every 5 minutes when things are working out? What happened when everything turns around and the difficult time begins? For that we have a verse in Psalms, the book of Tehillim, chapter 92, verse 3. What do we say? להגיד בבוקר חסדך, to say your kindness in the mornings, ואמונתך בלילות, and your faith at night. So in the morning, meaning when the light, when the sun is shining, meaning the light comes out, meaning good days coming to your life, it's obvious that you're going to praise Hashem for all His kindness and giving you free gifts here and there. So you're very happy, Baruch Hashem. Now comes the night. The light disappears, the darkness comes, some depression, sadness, stress, anxiety. Those moments are the moments of faith, of emunah. Ve'emunatcha balelot. And your faith at night. Meaning when I can't see anywhere, everything pitch black. Where am I going? What direction? What's the purpose? You sometimes see people that suffer sicknesses, one after the other. Finish with this, something else. Finish with that, fall, break the hand, break the leg, stomach problem, next thing, surgery, eye problem, cancer, surgery, remove the cancer. It seems that these people are in and out of the hospital like an average person in and out of his bathroom. In and out, all the time. And those are the moments that I imagine a person sleep in a hospital by himself, and he's alone at night, he can't sleep, wondering, will he live, will he not live, will he be able to go back to normal life? That's where the faith kicks in. Emunatcha balelot. Which is very difficult. When it's dark, it's very difficult. Why? Especially if you know you are righteous, or someone that you know that is a righteous person and he goes through this suffering, and you see the wicked around you are successful. I mean, from the outside, you see them in their fancy cars and their nice boats and buying real estate like you buy challah rolls in a bakery. Every 2-3 days, another deal. Rabbi, I have closing. Closing? You just had a closing last Wednesday. Yeah, I'm buying another house. Tov, next week, what? We're buying a building. Oh, Baruch Hashem. So you sometimes see people that are, according to the Torah, according to what's written, only Hashem knows who deserves what, but according to what's written, they don't deserve to live. Forget about to make money. According to the Torah, they don't deserve to live. So people like that are they are enemies of Hashem, enemies of Kedusha. You see them blooming, smiling, getting nice tan, coming from one vacation to the other, and then you see your father or your brother or yourself, after so much effort to become righteous and giving up all the nonsense, and you have to go through one suffer after the other. That's when Hashem expects you to have full confidence in Him and say thank you. Full confidence, thank you. Full confidence. How do you have such a faith, Moshe? Why not? Look how much you suffer. Look at all the people around you, how bad they are, and look how they're happy. We have in Israel a sentence, צוחק מי שצוחק אחרון. Don't ever forget this sentence. In English they also have it.
Same.
Yeah.
He who laughs last.
He who laughs last.
Laughs best.
Laugh best. Americans messed up with the translation. We have it better. The one that would laugh in the end, that's what counts. That's the way to say it. Doesn't matter in the middle of a boxing match, right? Two guys beat each other. Boxer A beat up Boxer B. The entire fight, I don't know, for 20-30 minutes, boom, bam, boom, he falls, he gets up, wow, he gets humiliated. In the end, just before he dies, Boxer B gave him one, boom, to the eye. The guy fell on the floor, that's it. He doesn't remember his name. Joined Sleepy Joe in Washington. You know? So in the end, anyone will remember that Boxer A were dancing, boom, boom, bam, boom, hey, like this to his fans. In the end, he gave him one, finished him up, and who won the $30 million trophy, whatever? The one who gave the last punch. That's what life is all about. Many people would laugh here and there.